Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead video. Real quick, if you're new here, I'm always looking for the best work from home jobs available and I bring them to you on a daily basis. Just know that some job leads fill up quickly. Some companies only accept so many applications and then they cut off accepting any more and they start to schedule interviews. So if you want to make sure you get those applications in quickly, subscribe and have those notifications turned on. That way YouTube will notify you as soon as I post a job lead and as soon as it is live. But without further ado, today's job lead is from the company Mitigator. Now, Mitigator is a chargeback management software company, so they work with other companies providing chargeback solutions. They are hiring remote full-time from the U.S. only, a resolution specialist. Now, a resolution specialist will provide quality reports for all merchant accounts for their designated clients. You'll identify, analyze unmatched chargeback disputes and determine the appropriate correction that needs to be done. You'll understand each chargeback process portal and individual account requirements. You'll need to understand each individual customer relationship management system, and you'll provide reports and details for each account. So the main part of the job is identify matching needs and proactively jump into accounts independently. They are looking for someone who has great computer knowledge, especially Microsoft Office, great communication skills, someone who is detail-oriented and who thrives in high-stress environments. They do require a high school diploma, but they don't require any college degree. It says it's a plus if you have experience in merchant billing or credit card transactions already, but they do want someone who has strong analytical and critical thinking skills. Now, this job does pay $14 an hour is what they start at. It does not say if they have bonuses or raises, and they do offer a great benefit package such as medical, dental, vision. They have complete employer paid life insurance, so free life insurance to you. It says equity after 1 year of employment, so you are invested into the company. I'm not sure if that is a stock plan, stock options, or what that consists of, and they offer unlimited PTO. All right, I just wanted to quickly share this position since it is non-phone based, but if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.